Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing the device. Make sure it is unlocked and you know the admin PIN. Open Settings, then go straight to Privacy or App Permissions where Location, Camera, and Microphone live. If you plan to access low-level sensors later, enable Developer Options by tapping build number 7 times. This unlocks advanced toggles. Once done, pause and confirm which sensors you must limit. This avoids turning off something you need, like GPS for maps. Now you revoke app permissions and use quick toggles. Go to App Permissions and remove camera, microphone, and location access from selected apps. This prevents background sensor reads. Make use of quick settings. Flip airplane mode to cut radios and add a sensor off or privacy tile if your build provides one. This kills motion and sensor data at once. Also open the privacy dashboard to review recent sensor access, so you can block any app that keeps trying to use them. Finish by using advanced controls and verifying results. In Developer Options, you can disable specific sensors or reduce sampling rates. This helps power and privacy. Restart the device to ensure permission and toggle changes take effect, then test via the privacy dashboard or a sensor check app. If a sensor still reports activity, clear the offending app's cache, update the operating system, and only then consider a factory reset. If problems continue, make sure you didn't miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.